Got the Hoyt Defiant out here today, going to try and stretch it out 100 yards. Be the first time, let's hope I can connect. Trick is my sight bottoms out at 90. So I'm gonna have to take that and float it, the pin, and float it above the target. So it might be some dialing it in. We've got the phone scope setup going on here, so I'll roll that footage in as well. You'll be able to see that. And this ought to be fun. I like stretching my skills. I think I hit. Okay, I think I'm gonna go higher. We gotta get this dialed in. Ah, got it. That's quite a bit higher than I thought. Okay, one more. Ah, missed that one. That one went to the right. Let's go take a look. Not bad. Not bad. So, this one here in the dirt, that one was my first shot, because I know I was going low. And then my second shot, I didn't think I hit it because it was hard to see in the phone scope. But that's my 100-yard group there. My last shot is short and to the right. I actually thought that went long, but it went short. Gosh dang, man, that's fun shooting at 100 yards. Let's do it again. Got it. Nope, I think I missed that one. Ah, missed that one. Got that one. Let's go take a look at that second group. Okay, here's group number 2. I don't know what number these are. Low and to the right, so just not aiming high enough. That's interesting. Look how close those are. And then one right in the middle. That's kind of fun. Just trying to figure that out. 100 yards, that's really stretching it for me. A lot of fun to hit that 100-yard mark. Obviously some improvement on my accuracy, but the fact that I can actually hit the target is a lot of fun. Now I just need to work on that consistency and form. So lots of fun. Thanks for hanging around. We'll see you.